So picture this, you're talking to me, I'm nodding, you're making eye contact, I look present, but guess what? I have no clue what you just said. It's not that I'm ignoring you, it's not that I don't care, it's just I didn't process the words. Let me introduce you to one of my favorite daily glitches, auditory processing dysfunction. Yep, I heard you, technically, but my brain didn't decode the signal in time. Or it did, but 3 seconds too late. Or it heard blah, 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 can you blah, blah, fridge, blah. And you want me to answer a question? Bro, I am still trying to figure out if you just asked me to marry you or clean the freezer. Let's talk scenarios. You. Hey, do you want tea or coffee? Me. Blank stare. Brain. System rebooting. Please wait. You. Earth to JC? Me. Oh, sorry. Yes, definitely. You. Yes to what? Me. Exactly. It's not rudeness, it's lag. It's like trying to load Netflix on a toaster. Now throw in a noisy environment, forget it. You're lucky if I remember being there. Supermarkets, cafes, echoey rooms, they're a full-on assault course for the senses. Your voice versus a screaming baby, a dodgy air vent, and my internal monologue about what to eat for dinner in 2031. Guess who wins? Not you, sorry. Now let's sprinkle in a little ADHD hyperfocus. If I'm zoned into something, a task, a show, a thought spiral about my cat's possible career as a ninja, you could literally be on fire next to me and I just think it's part of the vibe. Wow, it smells like smoke in here. Weird. Meanwhile, you've been asking me to pass the salt for 10 minutes. The worst part? People assume it's intentional. Are you even listening? Why are you ignoring me? Hello, are you okay? Yes. No, sort of, I don't know. And because I don't want to seem rude, I mask, I nod, I smile, I say, in all the right places. I become an Oscar-worthy listener, except I missed the entire plot. Then later you ask, so what did I say earlier? And I'm like, you said something meaningful? Cue the guilt, cue the spiral, cue the internal TED Talk called Why Am I Like This? But here's the truth. If I didn't respond, it's not because I don't care. It is because my brain is like a busy call center, and your call didn't quite make it through. Want to help? Here's what actually works. Get my attention first, like visually. Wave. Give me a second. Let the brain catch up. Keep it simple and clear. One thing at a time. Don't make it awkward if I need to ask you to repeat it. I'm trying, and if you're like me, own it. Tell your people, hey, sometimes I don't hear you the first time. It's not you, it's the brain buffering. It's not rudeness, it's neurospice. And yes, I still love you, even if I didn't hear a word you just said.